Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now ask the doctor. Today I am your friend and educator Dr. A. Mukherjee, and today we are going to discuss a very important topic, and that topic is how do we maintain our balance? Not bank balance, of course, our body balance in everyday life. Let's watch a video first for its entertainment and educational value. Let's find the entertainment first. So what have you watched? A fielder fielding in the outfield. The batsman mistimes the shot and the ball is in the air. The fielder runs, his eyes fixed on the ball, his feet trampling the grass. Every second he covers grass-covered field as by instinct he knows the trajectory of the ball. He knows that if he runs like this, he will not be able to catch it, so he dives. And yes, what a marvelous catch. He just slides and gets up and you jump from your sofa in joy. Have you ever stopped and thought how many gigabytes of data just passed through that man's brain in that 20 seconds time frame? Even when all variables like the trajectory of the ball, the field distance, the body posture which was changing every moment, how did that person achieve that impossible feat? Maintaining posture and balance up to the last moment and just catching the ball. So let's discuss in brief how that person did that impossible feat of maintaining balance and how we are doing it every day, every time, moment after moment, without even knowing simple idea of how our brain and our body does that impossible task. Everybody knows what this is. This is a computer monitor, this is the CPU, and this is the keyboard, and that's a mouse. So if we discuss the basic structural assembly here, it is almost similar to our balance system. There is an input, the keyboard, the mouse. There is a processor, this is the CPU with all those ROM and RAMs. And there is a monitor, which is the output. Whatever input we give gets processed and the output comes. What is the similarity with the balance system?
Just like in case of a computer, our balance system also has inputs. Our eyes helps us to see, so it gives the visual input. This is the ear, this is the ear canal, this is the tympanic membrane or the eardrum. These are the ossicles in the middle ear, and this is the internal ear. This internal ear has got the cochlea and the vestibule. This vestibule maintains a very important input for the balance system. This one is a bad diagram of a foot of a human. This is the ankle joint. What we want to say is that these joints have got receptors. They are called proprioceptors. They give the joint input, and all these signals get processed into the hind part of our brain, which is called the cerebellum. And this output goes to our joints, muscles, and bones. So we continuously change our posture to maintain balance. So have you ever felt the uneasiness of walking down a dark road? When our eyes stop giving us the signals about the condition of roads, potholes, etc., whom do we rely to? I can always feel the ground, you will say. And you are right. That's the joint, small joints, proprioceptors for you. Every subtle change in ground conditions can change slight pressure points in your limbs. That's an input. Now imagine another situation. You are in a lift. Now, this lift, you are inside, standing still, and you close your eyes, don't move a muscle, and the lift starts to goes up. Can you feel it? You can, isn't it? Now, the signal is not from your eyes, the eyes are closed, not from your joints are not moving, and the floor of the lift is absolutely still. So that's the inner ear input for you. The fluids inside the inner ear, they move, and many of us don't know, but ears are not only hearing machine but also a delicate balance system, a signal generator by a vestibular reflex arc. Now where does all those signals go to? What will happen is all those zillion units, zillion bits of data comes to the processor, the small part of the back of my brain, that is the cerebellum. There is an oversight from the big part of the brain, there is the cortex. It's like the cloud memory or the internet a CPU can access to if needed. All these data gets processed in a fraction of a second, and real-time output is processed to your muscles, joints. They measure exact tone, contractions, flexion of each one of them in body and change them in real time every moment. So, fielder gets the ball. By the way, it was a no ball, so it's a not out. Thank you, and please subscribe to our channel for new informative videos and new topics every day, almost every week. Thank you very much. Subscribe and comment. Your comments are very helpful. Be well, be safe, take care.